All right, teachers, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to upload worksheets, assignments to your Clever page. Okay, so if you have a worksheet, PowerPoint, any document you want to share with your students, you go ahead and save it, of course, to your OneDrive. And from your OneDrive, you're going to go ahead and, so I'm in the OneDrive right now. Let's say I want to share this one with my students, okay? So I go ahead and press share right here, and this will pop out. Now make sure you have people in Sakurai SD with the link, and then you could go ahead and click on this, unselect this, allow editing, because then they'll be able to then you'll be able to allow them to edit, and you don't want that. So once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and copy link. Okay, and it's been copied. So then you go on to your page. All right, then from here you could go ahead and click on add. Okay, and you add link. All right, here you're gonna copy and paste your link. You're gonna name it. Let's say, what was this one? What was the one I was gonna, let me go back. It was benchmark fractions, right? Okay, so I could benchmark fractions. All right, and then I could put in the math resource. I teach both math and science, so I could select whichever one. You could create your own resource. So I'm gonna put in math, okay? And then you could upload an icon, or you could use the ones that they have. Say I'm gonna use this one right here, and then you press add link, and they'll add it. See, benchmark fractions. So once your students have access to it, they just could click on it, and they'll and see, the PowerPoint appears. Okay, and they won't be able to edit anything. Okay, so that's the good thing. Again, you could put any worksheets, PowerPoints, anything you want. You just have to create a link. Okay, and again, you just use your OneDrive, and you copy your link. Again, don't forget to unselect the editing part, because then kids are gonna start moving it around, and you don't want that. Okay. All right. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck.